The sands of time have seen changes within the rhythmic breaking of waves on the shoreline. The very place eons ago that Valmiki had his ashram. Today this place has been named after him and it's called Valmiki Nagar in Chennai. It is a place that may seem no different from any other beachside, but it has an aura of tranquility. So much so that even the aftershock of tsunami did not disturb the tranquility of this place. Here stands a new temple, the temple of Krishna Balaram. There are elaborate ceremonial rituals underway to install the deities of Krishna Balaram, Nittai Gauranga and Srila Prabhupada in this sprawling location on the seashore. According to Vedic principles, it is believed that the deity resides in only 4 forms, namely the Kalasha, the Mandala, Agni and the Bimba. This is the Chakrabja Mandala with Vishnu Murti at the center represented by the chakra and a lotus form that is Abja. The main Brahmana who conducts the rituals ties around his finger a pavitra for Darbha Shuddhi. He will not remove this ring made of grass until the rituals are over. Raksha Bandhana, as the name suggests, is a process of chanting mantras and tying the threads to protect the person doing the Pratishta Sthapana from evil forces. The Yagashala is where the Yajna is going to be conducted. 4 doors are set up in the Yagashala in the 4 directions of east presided by Indra, west by Varuna, south by Yama and north by Soma. A Dwara Puja is done before commencing the main Yajna. Each door has 4 Dwarapalakas along with the Dig Devata of that direction. The main priest commences the puja with mudras to wash the various parts of the Lord, his lotus feet, hand and mouth. The air is suffused with wood smoke and a gentle sea breeze wafted.
Ishvaraha Paramaha Krishnaha Satchidananda Vigraha Anadiradir Govindaha Sarvakarana Karanam Chintamani Prakara Sadma Sukha.
Upacharas are then offered, accompanied by Veda Prayanas, chants from the 4 Vedas, and Divya Prabandha, which are the songs by the Alvars. There are also mantras from the Bhagavatam, Brahma Samhita and Chaitanya Charanamrita being chanted.
Govindamadi Purusham Tamaham Bhajami Alola Chandra Kala Sadvanamalya Vamshi.
In the Bhagavad Gita, chapter 9, verse 16, Krishna says, "It is I who is the ritual, I the sacrifice, the offering to the ancestors, the healing herb, the transcendental chant. I am the butter and the fire and the offering."
अद्वैतमच्युतमनादिमनन्तरूपम् आद्यम् पुराणपुरुषम् नवयौवनम् च वेदेषु दुर्लभमदुर्लभमात्मभक्तौ गोविन्दमादिपुरुषम् तमहम् भजामि। पन्तास्तु कोटिशतवत्सरसम्प्रगम्यो वायोरथापि मनसो मुनिपुङ्गवानाम् सोऽप्यस्ति यत्प्रपदसिम्न्यविचिन्त्य तत्त्वे गोविन्दमादिपुरुषम् तमहम् भजामि।
The deities are placed in heaps of grain. This process is called Dhanya Divas. It is believed that grains which have life will energize the deities. The deities are taken to the Kalyani to be immersed in water. This is a process known as Jala Divas. Different sacred rivers like Ganga, Yamuna and Kaveri are invited to the Kalyani to sanctify the waters. Gaudohana is a procedure where the cow is milked, and this milk is used to make a payasa to be offered to the Lord for the Murti Homa. This would later be served as Yaga Prasada. Kalasha Sthapana is the placement of the Kalasha atop the Vimana, that is, the roof of the Garbhagudi. The green sacred pot represents the lordships Krishna Balaram, Nitai Gauranga and Srila Prabhupada, while the yellow sacred pot is Vimana Deva, which will be seated atop the Garbhagudi. The deities are then taken into the Garbhagudi for Prana Pratishta, which is the final ritual of invoking the Lord to reside in this form.
ईश्वरः परमः कृष्णः सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहः अनादिरादिर्गोविन्दः सर्वकारणकारणम् चिन्तामणिप्रकरसद्मसुकल्पवृक्ष लक्षावृतेषु सुरवीरविपालयन्तम् लक्ष्मीसहस्रशतसम्भ्रमसेव्यमानम् गोविन्दमादिपुरुषम् तमहं भजामि वेणुम् क्वणन्तमरविन्ददलायताक्षम् बर्हावतम् समसिताम्बुदसुन्दराङ्गम् कन्दर्पकोटिकमनीयविशेषशोभम् गोविन्दमादिपुरुषम् तमहं भजामि आलोलचन्द्रकलसद्वनमाल्यवंशी रत्नाङ्गदम् प्रणयकेलिकलाविलासम् श्यामम् त्रिभङ्गललितम् नियतप्रकाशम् गोविन्दमादिपुरुषम् तमहं भजामि अङ्गानि यस्य सकलेन्द्रियवृत्तिमन्ति पश्यन्ति पान्ति कलयन्ति चिरम् जगन्ति
A grand Maha-Abhisheka was the culminating ritual of this 3-day-long installation program. In their splendorous form, the Utsava deities received the first ritual bath with various auspicious items. 108 items were prepared by devotees and offered to the Lord.
पन्तास्तु कोटिशतवत्सरसम्प्रगम्यो वायोरथापि मनसो मुनिपुङ्गवानाम् सोऽप्यस्ति यत्प्रपदसिम्न्यविचिन्त्य तत्त्वे गोविन्दमादिपुरुषम् तमहं भजामि एकोऽप्यसौ रचयितुम् जगदण्डकोटिम् यच्छक्तिरस्ति जगदण्डचयायदन्तः अण्डान्तरस्थपरमाणुचयान्तरस्थम् गोविन्दमादिपुरुषम् तमहं भजामि यद्भावभावितधियो मनुजास्तथैव सम्प्राप्य रूपमहिमासनयानभूषाः सूक्तैर्यमेव निगमप्रतितैस्तुवन्ति गोविन्दमादिपुरुषम् तमहं भजामि आनन्दचिन्मयरसप्रतिभाविताभिः ताभिर्य एव निजरूपतया कलाभिः गोलोक एव निवसत्यखिलात्मभूतो गोविन्दमादिपुरुषम् तमहं भजामि प्रेमाञ्जनच्चुरितभक्तिविलोचनेन सन्तः सदैव हृदयेषु विलोकयन्ति यं श्यामसुन्दरमचिन्त्य गुणस्वरूपम् गोविन्दमादिपुरुषम् तमहं भजामि रामादिमूर्तिषु कलानियमेन तिष्ठन् नानावतारमकरोत् भुवनेषु किन्तु कृष्णः स्वयं समभवत्परमः पुमान्यो गोविन्दमादिपुरुषम् तमहं भजामि यस्य प्रभा प्रभवतो जगदण्डकोटिस्वशेषवसुधादिविभूतिभिन्नम् तद्ब्रह्म निष्कलमनन्तमशेषभूतम् गोविन्दमादिपुरुषम् तमहं भजामि माया हि यस्य जगदण्डशतानि सूते त्रैगुण्यतद्विषयवेदवितायमाना सत्त्वाबलम् विपरसत्त्वम् विशुद्धसत्त्वम् गोविन्दमादिपुरुषम् तमहं भजामि आनन्दचिन्मयरसात्मतया मनस्सु यः प्राणिनाम् प्रतिफलम् स्मरतामुपेत्य लीलायितेन भुवनानि जयत्यजस्रम् गोविन्दमादिपुरुषम् तमहं भजामि गोलोकनाम्नि निजधाम्नि तले च तस्य देवी महेश हरिधाम सुतेषु तेषु ते प्रभावनिचया विहिताश्च येन गोविन्दमादिपुरुषम् तमहं भजामि सृष्टिस्थितिप्रलयसाधनशक्तिरेका छायेव यस्य भुवनानि बिभर्ति दुर्गा इच्छानुरूपमपि यस्य च चेष्टते सा गोविन्दमादिपुरुषम् तमहं भजामि क्षीरं यथा दधिविकारविशेषयोगात् सञ्जायते न हि ततः पृथगस्ति हेतोः यः शम्भुतामपि तथा समुपैति कार्यात् गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि दीपार्चिरेव हि दशान्तरमभ्युपेत्य दीपायते विवृतहेतुसमानधर्मा यस्ताग्रिकेव हि च विष्णुतया विभाति
Flowers are an important offering to the Lord. The air was thick with the fragrance of flowers, and the beautiful forms of Krishna Balaram, Nitai Gauranga and Srila Prabhupada were kept in a soft bed of fragrant flowers.
यस्यैकनिश्वसितकालमतावलम्ब्य जीवन्ति लोमविलजा जगदण्डनाथाः विष्णुर्महान् स इह यस्य कलाविशेषो गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि।